Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Tofro.com. In order to do it, first of all, you will have to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Tofro.com. Now, once you are on Tofro, you will have to click on register now, and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here you need to provide your email address, then a verification code will be sent on your email address, so you will have to simply paste that code over here. But before that, make sure that you click on the send option, only then it is going to send you the verification code. Afterwards you need to provide your password and then confirm your password. Make sure that it is strong. Then you need to use a invitation code, and I will put that invitation code down in the description, so you can use that invitation code and paste it over here. Without that invitation code you won't be able to create your account here, so make sure you use the invitation code if you want to register on Tofro. After that, you will have to simply agree to the terms and conditions and click on the register option. Now, once you have successfully created your account, you need to click on the login option, then provide your login credentials and click on this remember my password option and click on login. This way you will be able to create an account on Tofro.com. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.